Keith Titanium Cooking Pot T6300 Ultra-Light Versatility for your culinary adventures. The Keith Titanium Cooking Pot T6300 is a premium piece of ultralight cookware designed for outdoor enthusiasts and minimalist travelers. Crafted from high-grade TA1 titanium, this 900 ml pot offers exceptional durability, lightweight portability, and versatile functionality for all your cooking needs. Key features: premium titanium construction, made from TA1 titanium. This pot is incredibly strong, lightweight, and corrosion resistant. Titanium is also biocompatible, ensuring that your food remains free from metallic tastes or odors. Ultralight and portable, weighing only 256 grams, this pot is designed for easy transport and minimal pack weight, making it ideal for backpacking, camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Versatile functionality: this pot can be used for boiling water, cooking meals, and even steaming rice with the optional compatible steamer insert, sold separately. Its 900 ml capacity is perfect for individual or small group cooking. Durable and long-lasting, titanium's exceptional strength and corrosion resistance ensure that this pot will withstand the rigors of outdoor use for years to come. Efficient heat transfer: titanium conducts heat efficiently, allowing for quick and even cooking. Convenient design: the pot features a secure lid with a handle, making it easy to handle and pour. The sand-blasted surface provides a non-slip grip. Included storage bag: the pot comes with a portable storage mesh bag for convenient storage and transport. Specifications: brand: Keith. Model: T6300. Material: TA1 titanium and silicone. Surface: sandblasting. Size: length 118 mm by wide 108 mm by height 158 mm. Net weight: 256 grams. Capacity: 900 ml. Function: boiling, cooking, steaming with compatible insert. Benefits: ultralight and portable, ideal for backpacking and outdoor adventures. Durable and corrosion resistant, built to last in harsh environments. Biocompatible and flavor neutral, ensures pure food taste. Versatile cooking options, suitable for various cooking tasks. Efficient heat transfer, cooks food quickly and evenly. Easy to clean and maintain, titanium is naturally resistant to staining and odors. Overall, the Keith Titanium Cooking Pot T6300 is a premium and versatile piece of cookware that delivers exceptional performance for outdoor enthusiasts. Its lightweight design, durable construction, and versatile functionality make it a valuable addition to any camping or backpacking gear. Whether you're boiling water for coffee or cooking a gourmet meal in the wilderness, this titanium pot will be your reliable companion.